brave little explorers! In front of us is the huge volcano Dinosaur Valley. This place has glowing red volcanoes, ancient forests, and wide open plains. Many giant dinosaurs are living in this mysterious valley. A surprising adventure is waiting for us ahead. Let's explore it with Luccy right now. Get your imagination ready! We are about to create an ancient world where giant dinosaurs once lived. First, we place a majestic row of volcanoes in the distance as the main background. On the right side, there is a glowing red lava land. On the left side, we create a magical lake with cool, clear blue water. Around the different areas, we set up wooden fences to make the scene feel wild and mysterious. Next, we place a fresh green grass platform in the middle of the model. Then, we spread yellow sand to create a wide open land. Small pebble lines are used as borders to divide the areas. The remaining space is covered with red sand. Now the picture of an ancient valley is beginning to appear. Now, let's return to the volcano area. Around the foot of the mountains, we plant many green trees and large and small bushes. This makes the land look both wild and full of life. In the yellow sand area, we place large rocks with unique shapes. Then, we add many ancient plants to make this area more lively. This will be a perfect place for dinosaurs to walk around and look for food. Finally, we decorate the red land. Here, we stack some dry wood and add rough rocks to create a wild feeling. A small wooden bridge, like a track, crosses the bumpy ground and becomes a special highlight of the whole model. Ta-da! Volcano Dinosaur Valley is complete. Before us are majestic volcanoes, a mysterious lake, ancient lands, and a beautiful natural scene. T-Rex. T-Rex was one of the most famous meat-eating dinosaurs ever to live on Earth. Although it had short arms, it had very strong jaws and sharp teeth. The name T-Rex means Tyrant Lizard King. Theropod is a group of dinosaurs that walked on two legs and included many famous meat eaters. T-Rex and Velociraptor both belonged to the theropod group. Some small theropods are believed to be the ancestors of modern birds. Quetzalcoatlus was one of the largest flying reptiles ever to exist. Its wingspan could be as wide as a small bus. It was not a dinosaur, but a prehistoric flying reptile. Parasaurolophus. Parasaurolophus stood out with a long crest curving backward from its head. This crest may have helped it make loud sounds. It was a plant-eating dinosaur that often moved in herds. Pachycephalosaurus. Pachycephalosaurus was famous for its thick head, like a helmet. Scientists think it may have used its head to bump against others. This dinosaur walked on two legs and lived near the end of the Cretaceous period. Centrosaurus? Centrosaurus was a close relative of Triceratops. It had a large horn on its nose and a wide bony frill around its neck. Centrosaurus ate plants and often lived in large herds. Dimetrodon. Dimetrodon lived long before the age of dinosaurs. It had a large sail on its back that may have helped control body temperature. Many people mistake Dimetrodon for a dinosaur, but it was not. Microraptor. Microraptor was a small feathered dinosaur. It could glide from tree to tree using feathers on both its arms and legs. Microraptor helped scientists better understand the evolution of birds. Carnotaurus. Carnotaurus had two small horns above its eyes. Its long legs helped it run fast, and its tail helped it keep balance. The name Carnotaurus means meat-eating bull. Ichthyosaurus. Ichthyosaurus was a marine reptile shaped like a dolphin. It swam very fast in the ancient ocean to hunt fish and squid. Even though it lived in water, Ichthyosaurus had to come up to breathe air. Nothosaurus. Nothosaurus was an ancient marine reptile. It had a fairly long neck, sharp teeth, and webbed feet for easier swimming. It spent much time in the sea but could still come onto land. Penidus. Penidus was a marine reptile with a turtle-like shell. It often searched for food in shallow water. Its shell helped protect its body from danger. Dilophosaurus. Dilophosaurus had two large crests on its head. It was one of the first large meat-eating dinosaurs. The crests may have helped it attract mates or recognize others of its kind. The Rhizinosaurus. The Rhizinosaurus was famous for its extremely long claws. Although it looked scary, it mostly ate plants. It was one of the strangest dinosaurs ever discovered. Oviraptor. Oviraptor was a small dinosaur with a bird-like beak. Its name was once misunderstood to mean egg thief. Today, scientists think Oviraptor cared for its eggs very carefully. Baby Pachycephalosaurus. A baby Pachycephalosaurus did not yet have a thick skull like an adult. It often stayed close to the herd for protection. As it grew, its head became thicker and harder. Sauropelta. Sauropelta was an armored dinosaur. It had many sharp spikes on its back and neck for protection. Sauropelta ate plants and walked on 4 strong legs. Cryolophosaurus. Cryolophosaurus lived in a very cold part of the ancient Earth. It had a large crest on its head shaped like a comb. Its name means frozen crested lizard. Triceratops. Triceratops had 3 noticeable horns on its head. A large bony frill behind its head helped protect its neck. It was one of the most famous plant-eating dinosaurs. Ankylosaurus. Ankylosaurus is known as the tank of the dinosaur world. Its body was covered with thick bony armor. Its large club-like tail helped Ankylosaurus defend itself from predators. Ta-da! Our journey through Volcano Dinosaur Valley is complete. The glowing volcanoes, ancient lands, and amazing dinosaurs brought us so many surprises, right? Thank you for exploring with Luccy until the very end. See you again in the next adventure.